In this tutorial we will expand on the information in our user manual for products that use the 4STREAM application. We will cover setup, things to consider, and how to reset the device if necessary. For this tutorial I have with me a KS08 Wi-Fi kit, a Sonora 5AWN, and a WA225W. This process will only be done the first time we connect our device, or in very specific cases that we will explain later at the end of the video. We power up our sound kit, and wait to hear the following message. Now we open the application. In my case I already have it installed. It will automatically search for all devices we have installed. As we don't have any yet, we will use the option to add device. Click on Settings and it will take us to the Wi-Fi settings. We will have to select the Wi-Fi network of our kit.
You are now connected to your speaker. Follow the instructions in the app to finish the setup.
Now return to the previous screen and wait to hear this message.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
We select the Wi-Fi network we want to connect our equipment to and enter the password. Click on Continue.
Connected to your Wi-Fi network.
In this screen we can change the name of our device. This will help us to identify it later. Our kit is now ready to be used. We power up our sound kit, and wait to hear the next message.
Entering setup mode. Follow the instructions in the app to finish the setup.
Now we open the application. As we already had a setup kit, it will be displayed, and now we must click on the plus symbol to add another kit. Click on Configuration and it will take us to the Wi-Fi settings. We must select the Wi-Fi network of our kit. In this case it is Sonora_307. Now return to the previous screen, and wait to hear this message.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Select the Wi-Fi network to which you want to connect your kit, and enter the password. Click on Continue. Now, click on Next, and we will hear
Connected to your Wi-Fi network.
On the display we can change the name of our device. This will help us to identify it later. Our kit is now ready to be used. To use the Multiroom mode, click on the chain icon to link the desired devices. The master will appear selected in the list that is displayed. Now we must select the kit where we want the same music to be played. These will be the slaves. Once the desired devices have been selected, click on Finish. At this point they will all be playing the same music, and you will be able to adjust the volume of each kit independently or together. In order to get them back with music separately, simply click on the chain icon again, and deselect the linked devices you want to remove, and click Finish. This is very important to keep in mind. When we use them to listen to different music on each kit, they will be connected directly to the router that we set up in the initial configuration, and will therefore depend on the Wi-Fi coverage of the router itself. In multi-room mode, which is when we want them all to play the same song, it works as follows. One kit connects to the router to get the music from the internet. The rest of the kits will disconnect from the router, and connect to the master to retrieve the music. Therefore, in this mode we no longer depend on the Wi-Fi coverage provided by the router, but we depend on the distance between the master and the kit that wants to play the same music. In applications such as Spotify or other such services, it is necessary to have a premium account in order to be able to share our music with our devices. There are two situations where we need to reset our unit. 1. When the initial process has not been done correctly, for example, we have not entered the password correctly. And the second, if we change our internet provider, it is likely that they will change our router. In that case, they will change the name of the Wi-Fi network and the password. Therefore, the speaker will not know its new name and password, and thus, it will not connect. In this case, you have to reset it and start the process. On most devices, you will find a button that says WPS. Press and hold it for 10 seconds until you hear the following message.
Restore to factory settings.
On the KS08 Wi-Fi, this process will be done from the WPS button on the remote control. Press and hold for 10 seconds until you hear the following message.
Restore to factory settings.